Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I'm going to show you some snapshots of my US market trading, and also we are proud to announce online workshop for trading both Indian market and US markets. So before that, let me tell you one thing. In Indian market, so I have a simulation software, I have a backtesting software. So actually when I discuss a strategy, and I can actually take you through in the past. I can show you the simulation and nicely, so I can make you understand things very clear. But however, I could not find any simulation software for US markets, and past data is freely available for stocks, S&P 500 or Nasdaq 100 or all the stocks. But we don't trade in stocks, we don't trade in futures, we trade only in options. So for options, we actually do not get the past data and so on. That is why I'm just combining Indian market as well as US market. So I'll teach you more in Indian market and I will extrapolate the thing. There is a way I can make you understand, so that's not a big deal. But I can tell you trading in US markets is much easier, much more profitable than trading in Indian market. If you are a non-resident of US, then tax advantage is also there. And the people, although it is not correct, but there are many people, even the residents of US, they lend money to one of their friends in Gulf countries and then trade in their name. So, they only take the interest, only for that interest they pay tax in US. They all come with a lot of ifs and buts, so a lot of issues are there. But, if you are based out of US and out of India, then, you are allowed to trade in US markets. You don't have to pay tax to US governments. So that makes it more interesting to trade in US market. But trading in Indian markets, the VIX is mostly lower. In US markets, VIX is higher. So therefore the premiums tend to be better. So the option premiums are low in India, option premiums are high in US. That's number one. Number two, the transaction cost is very high in India. The transaction cost is very low in US. Just to give you one example, one Nifty contract size, is about 9 lakh rupees. For 9 lakh rupees, you pay one brokerage, one STT, one stamp duty, and so many things. But in US, the same thing if you want to do, S&P 500 is around 4,400. The lot size is 100. So that is 4,400 into 100, $440,000. So that translates into 3.5 crore. So for 3.5 crore, you pay only one brokerage, one STT, one stamp duty. Of course, there is no STT stamp duty in US market. You just pay one brokerage and one exchange charges. So that's a second. And a third one, most of you by this time know that I tend to trade in long-term options. So the long-term options are very liquid in US market. But in India, the long-term options are not really that liquid. And icing on the cake is that if you are a non-resident of US and non-resident of India, then you are having a tax advantage. There is no need to pay tax. This workshop, basically I will be teaching all the strategies with Indian context, with the Indian simulation and everything. And then I will be taking you to US markets. The fees for this workshop we decided as $2,000 and it is going to be online. First, why online? Because people trading in US markets, they'll be in different countries. So it's difficult to meet in one place. And second thing, one follower actually asked me, sir, in India you charge only 50,000 plus GST. Why are you charging 2,000 for US markets? Okay, the rationale is very simple. So in India, people attend our workshop. We suggest a capital of 25 lakh rupees. So anybody coming out with a capital of 25 lakh rupees, our workshop fee of 50,000 is only just 2% of the capital. So if they trade well, they can aim to make that 2% in just 1 month. So your 1 month return becomes our workshop fee. So you won't feel the pinch. In Indian market, even with a very low volume you do also, you will be getting the margin benefits. But in US markets, the most brokers, they don't provide margin benefits to you unless you have a significant amount in your account. I'm trading with the broker, interactive broker, and he keeps, a limit of 110k. So the moment my money comes below 110k, I will not be eligible for margin benefit. If you are not eligible for margin benefit, you can't follow my system. So therefore, the minimum capital that you require for a US market is 110k, and we are charging just only 2002k. So that is less than 2% of the capital. So our policy is to charge roughly about 2% of the capital as the fees, and so that you can make, if everything goes well, you can recover that money in less than a month. And of course, doing online, offline when we do, if husband and wife both come, so they pay double the fees. But online, only one person pay and two people sit and watch. There are many other things, So therefore, the $2,000 fees that we have decided, it is still affordable and very, very reasonable. So I always believe in pricing my services at a reasonable level. And then this time I'm planning to take a maximum of 25 people. Because when I used to do online workshop in India, I used to take even 50, 60 people. But now, because it's a US market, so I want to focus more on individual attention. So therefore, the maximum we will take only 25 people. In the link, we have given the contact details of our office. So you can call the numbers, okay, and they will provide you my bank details. So you just need to transfer money to my bank account and then show the proof to my office, then you will be enrolled. So once you pay it, and in case if there is any change, nothing to worry, you are not able to attend, then we will always reschedule you to the next workshop. It's an online workshop and the fees will be $2,000. And after receiving the payment and then after getting the profile of the people who are attending the workshop, I will decide the timing of the workshop. So if most of the people attending from US, then maybe I can do it in the night time also, so that it will be the daytime for US. Or we will, if half people come from Europe and Middle East and half people come US, we will fix a time, a convenient time for all of us. So that is all about the workshop fees and then the content, everything. So when it comes to content, I'll tell you, I'm trading in US market, so I'm trading very nicely, and I think I've shown you I'm more than 100% profit in last 10-11 months, but don't come with the same expectation. Markets are markets. I always say markets are like a god. Whatever the market gives, we have to take it. But even if you make 20-25% return per annum following these strategies, that's considered to be one of the best returns. Number one, don't come with a high expectation. And number two, I'm not a gambler. I'm not, trying to tell you bring 100k, you can make 100 million like that. So option selling is a business, it's a decent business, decent return you can expect. Right. This is my trading terminal. So you look at the portfolio. My today profit is around $2,620. My net liquidity is 1 million. And then if I go to accounts management, so you can see now my net worth is 1 million plus $230. And then last 1 year return is 160%. It's a fantastic return. 160% in 1 year, that too tax free. Okay. Now, if I go to performance and reports, go to portfolio analyst, then go to reports year to date. Let us see from January 1 until now. So what was the performance? Year to date, the performance, if you can see, year to date, I'm sitting with a profit of 112.55%. 112%, you know, this is still only November 10th. We still have another 1.5 month. And last 5 days, my return was 2.5%. Last 10 days, 13%. Best return 8.3%. Worst return is 10%. And you can see the chart here from January 1 till now. You look at the top 3 exchange traded funds in India, sorry, US, SPX, EFA and Vanguard. So almost all of them have given almost zero return. You know, there's nothing big. But look at my graph, continuously moved higher, right? So now sitting with a fantastic profit of 112%, and that too non-taxable. So if you want to learn and earn, so you can contact our office, and we will be happy to share our strategies with you. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.